Welcome, so today I am with AirPods Pro and the Apple Watch Series 3, and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level of your AirPods on your Apple Watch. So first we have to pick our Apple Watch and unlock him, and right now we have to connect your AirPods. So go to the main screen, move to the settings here, and now we have to move to the Bluetooth and just open your case to connect them. Okay, right now they are connected, so go back with this button and enter here, click here again, and right now we are on our watch, so click on this plugin. As you can see, there's the battery level of AirPods and the case, but also we can check it with swiping the finger of the bottom of the screen and enter here until the Wi-Fi icon, and there is also the AirPods Pro battery level and the case. So this is how it works. I hope that I'll help you guys. If I do, leave comments, likes and subscribe to our channel.